In this video, I'm going to show you how to declare on ACBuy. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to come to their official website over here. In case you don't have an account yet, you can use my link down below, which you can sign up with. It's in the description and then in the pinned comment as well, so make sure you check that out. And then once you're on the website, you want to click on this button up here, just to the right of where you can set your language and your currency, and then click on that over here, and it's going to take you to shipping fee estimation. In here, you first want to choose your destination country, so for example UK, and then here of course you want to enter in your weight, whatever that is, but just make sure you're actually putting in the correct weight, not just making something up. Here you can go ahead and select your product type. For example, we're gonna do shoes, and then we're gonna do common brand, and then length we're gonna do like, let's do 10, and then width 2, and then height like 6. Okay, so it doesn't really matter for this instance, but for you, of course, put in the exact measurements. Click on check now, and it's going to give you over here a bunch of different things, prices low to high, and then over here for every single one of these companies, for example the DHL, and then they have EMS, UPS, etc. You can see over here, you can see the declaration amount range, and this is what you are going to need to actually declare. Okay, so this is the range. It's going to give you a range. Usually, of course, you're going to go for somewhere in the middle, I would assume, and yeah, but this is completely up to you. This is just how you can essentially see the declaration amount range, and then you can get your things done correctly. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.